If your Citi account is locked, stop retrying. Here's the fastest recovery path. First of all, wait for about 10 to 15 minutes before retrying. Then open your app. After that, click use forgot password instead of re-guessing your passwords for a lot of time. Then complete your identity verification. After that, log in with the new credentials. If login fails, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Also, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi if you cannot turn on mobile data to rule out network issues. Then, if still logged in, contact Citi Support for manual unlock. Tip: multiple rapid login attempts trigger automatic locks. And that's it. Subscribe.